Shall I start now?
You can start now.
Okay, sir. Science can amuse and fascinate us all, but it is engineering that changes the world. A good scientist is a person with original ideas, a good engineer, a person who makes a design that works with as few ideas as possible. MVJ College of Engineering, established in year 1982, the flagship institution of Venkatesha Education Society, is one of the best engineering institute in Bangalore and successful imparting education in engineering, management and beyond. MVJCE has evolved and perfected a unique approach to knowledge delivery for our engineering and management programs. Genuine and sustainable learning are achieved when theory is translated into practice. We work with our students to reinforce their engineering knowledge and management concept and theory through practical knowledge and as well as projects. So, arise, awake, and stop not until goal is reached. So, heartily, with this inspired quote by Swami Vivekanand, I heartily welcome to all the future engineers on behalf of MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am Sakshi Batra, Assistant Professor at Department of Chemical Engineering, MVJ College of Engineering. Got this opportunity proudly present you in session of Explore Chemical Engineering interactive session. Nobody has anticipated that chemicals was the direction in which Reliance was headed. I did chemical engineering because it was supposed to be our future. Chemical engineering is a certain type of engineering which deals with the study of operation, designs of chemical plants, and the method of improving production. Chemical engineering applies the principle of chemistry, biology, physics, and math to problems that involve the production or use of chemicals, fuels, drugs, and many other products. It is a multidisciplinary branch of engineering that combines natural and experimental science along with the life sciences, mathematics, and economics. Design, develop, produce, transfer, transport, and as well as to operate. On engineering basically involved in many aspects of plant design and operation, including safety, hazard, modeling, control engineering, chemical reaction engineering, nuclear engineering, engineering. So, on this note, I would take this pleasure to brief you through this presentation about the chemical department in MVJCE. Today, what are the mission of the what are the vision, mission, and about the program we'll discuss in this presentation. Being an engineering aspirant, what are the eligibility criteria to get into this program? What make MVJC with the state of art, in fact, infrastructure and facilities? What are the achievements of our talented students in various aspects who takes part in different seminar and workshop? What are the research projects and lab facilities are available in chemical engineering department? Department is usually engaged in different activities such as inviting a resource persons to giving the lectures, conducting a conferences, seminars where students get expose themselves practical knowledge. Department of Practical knowledge. What are the industry collaboration is there? We'll discuss about that. What is the faculty strength? What is the infrastructure? What are the lab facilities are available? Where the students for themselves. Where the students are teaching, learning different subjects and they are just going to the lab experiment. So and others, what can be the career prospects we will discuss in this. Department of Chemical Engineering established in 1984 with basic equipment for undergraduate program. So far, many batches are passed out successfully with the strong base of practical skill and with their successfully career in industry as well as in the postgraduate study. This Department of Chemical Engineering is by National Board of Accreditation. MVJCE recognized as a autonomous institute in the year 2019. What is our mission? Be a leading chemical engineering department for quality technical education. Our mission is quality teaching. We provide high quality education in chemical and allied fields through outcome based teaching learning process. Second is core competence. We empower students and facilities to achieve proficiency in chemical science and engineering using state-of-the-art laboratory facilities with the modern technologies. Center of Excellence, we stimulate and encourage the pursuit of excellence in chemical science and as well as in engineering. The skill development. We foster graduates with leadership qualities, entrepreneurship skills, innovative thinking, and professional ethics. The program educational objective is like fundamentals. After the graduation, then the students will able to shape themselves as a successful professional working in government as well as in private company as a chemical engineer. The graduate can explore themselves in various fields. They can go either in higher studies, they can pursue in different fields like petrochemicals, material science, biotechnology, nanotechnology, environmental engineer, and other areas are also available where the students can go and students can explore themselves. Third is like entrepreneurship. Graduates will apply fundamental knowledge. Whatever they are learning in the classes, whatever they are learning in the labs, they can apply that fundamental knowledge in chemical engineering and they can these technologies to the benefit of humankind and to become a successful entrepreneurs. What is the eligibility for this? What the eligibility? Admissions are done as per Government of Karnataka and AICTI norms. Candidates should have passed in second PUC 12th standard equivalent exam with English as one of the languages and obtain a minimum of percent of marks in aggregate in physics and mathematics along with chemistry, biotechnology, biology, electronics, computers. There are certain relaxation for 40% for SC and ST students category 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B category candidates. The candidates who have passed from boards other than boards which are not mentioned in the list of PTU have to obtain a clearance certificate from the Association of Indian University, New Delhi, before confirming the candidate's admission in the college. Now, what makes the MVJCE unique? Autonomous institute and tailoring our own curriculum for our students. These are the this is curriculum of that we are using. Like we are 57% of the score in this. We are taking professional core subjects. We have professional core labs is also available. 22.4% are professional core labs. With some subjects are mathematics subjects and some subjects are humanities subjects. Like category, the curriculum is divided into different categories. HCM, HSMC like humanities, basic science, professional core, professional electives, open electives, different projects are there, different internships, seminars, certification courses are available. So total suggested credits is 135. These are the some professional core courses are available in our curriculum like chemical process calculation, momentum transfer, mechanical operation, material science for chemical engineering thermodynamics, chemical technology, process heat transfer, instrument analysis, chemical reaction engineering 1 and 2, mass transfer 1 and 2, nanotechnology, chemical process integration, wastewater treatment, industrial safety, transport phenomena, process control, CFD for chemical engineer, novel separation technique, multi-component distillation. There, we have some professional core lab also. The subjects they are reading in this core content, they have to do some laboratory experiment also. Whatever they are learning, if they will do lab, they will get more knowledge. Like momentum transfer lab, chemical engineering drawing lab, mechanical operation lab, heat transfer lab, pollution control lab, mass transfer lab, chemical process simulation lab is there. Detailed scheme for our autonomous curriculum to get the knowledge of basic courses like in the third semester when they enter into the third semester the courses is available like in basic course in math is like they will read Fourier series transform numericals and optimization technique other than profession we have some professional courses like chemical process calculation momentum transfer material science for chemical engineering technical chemistry momentum transfer lab and technical chemistry lab is there in third semester we will get the knowledge of the basic course in this semester and after that apply these courses basics into the further semester. So it is very important to give the basic knowledge to the students where they can get the knowledge of basics they can apply into the so in this there are some one HSMC courses there like CPH, Kannada fourth semester, it is all the succession of the previous semester courses. Like they have in BSc, they have read about applied mathematics 1, and in this semester, they will read applied mathematics 2, additional mathematics 2. Because for the engineering students, mathematics is very important. They will apply this knowledge into the further semester. For some courses in the fourth semester is chemical engineering thermodynamics, chemical reaction engineering 1, chemical technology, process heat transfer, instrument analysis, chemical engineering drawing lab, chemical engineering drawing lab, and mechanical operation lab, and same as well as additional mathematics 2 in the fourth semester they will read. For the curriculum fifth semester, in the fifth semester we have some professional core courses. Other than professional core courses, we offer some professional electives also. Like this, in this fifth semester, they have chemical reaction engineering 2. The chemical reaction engineering 1, they have already read in fourth semester. Mass transfer 1 is there. In pollution control is there. Chemical reaction engineering lab that they have read in fourth semester. Lab is available in fifth semester. Pollution control and instrument analysis lab is there. The studies is there. There is one professional elective. This is the list of the professional elective. They can go and out of these professional elective, they can choose one professional elective. Like professional electives that are available is petroleum refining engineering, colloidal and interfacial science, fermentation technologies, polymer technologies. They can take either one of this professional elective. In the sixth semester, we have offering two professional electives in this, and one is open elective. Open elective basically for every other branches who can take this subjects and they can correlate the inter branches also. We can offer this open elective to other branches like computer science, mechanical department, and electronics department. They can this student can take this open elective. In this sixth semester, core courses are mass transfer, process equipment design and drawing, mass transfer lab is there, computer application in chemical engineering laboratory is there, and in the professional elective, they can take petrochemicals, nanotechnology, biochemical engineering, process instrumentation. Open elective, they can go for the wastewater treatment, composite material, introduction to these subjects they can take in the sixth semester as an open elective. In the seventh semester, the final year of engineering, some core courses like transport phenomena, process control, process control lab is there, chemical process simulation lab is there, and this starting of our project. Like the final year of BTech will do some projects, whatever the basics, whatever the concepts we are learning during our 3 years of journey, we have to apply because in MVJ College of Engineering is given practical knowledge. So class learning is also there as well as practical knowledge is there. So project based there they can apply these basic into the project in the seventh semester. This is the starting of the project. In the eighth semester, this is completely dedicated to the project internship. Basically, internship people is students will do to help them to explore more to the industry. Whatever the concepts they are reading, they have to explore whatever the going on in the industry in the big from the pilot scale to the big plant lab scale to the pilot scale. So we offer some certification courses also to give them to for the students. Like next is like what are the course delivery methods are there? We are trying to make it better and so students can learn more. We are giving lectures, we are giving class presentation, we are giving lecture notes properly, class presentation. If some subjects is necessary to give by presentation, then class presentations is available. After that, they are reading some whatever they are reading, they have to do some lab experimental work, then industry training we are providing, and finally we are providing research project. Other than this, we are giving them NPTEL course lectures, different activities. We are offering them to library hours, like somebody laboratories to do some major experiments. So these is our course delivery methods. We majorly concentrate student-centered teaching method. In the student-centered teaching method, we are mainly in the periodic, there are two industrial visits is compulsory. So the students that they are teaching in the learning in the class, they will go to the industry, they will visit the industry and they will get the knowledge of the industrial visit. They are giving the tutorial classes also, like for whatever the problems is there, numerical problems is there. To solve the numerical problem, tutorial classes are available. We are focusing mainly on the classroom teaching. Digital library is also there. There, where can students store themselves? Classroom is available. Library is also available. We are offering some personality development courses also to shape their future, and mentoring session is also there. Counseling session is also there for the students. These are like we have in the curriculum in initiative related to the industry interaction. The students of chemical engineering, they have visited two industries. One industry is visited to Semi-Labs Kunigal. Semi-Labs Kunigal is basically batch of 5th semester of chemical engineering students, approximately 40 of them. They with the two staff coordinators, they visited to the Semi-Lab Limited this industry. This basically Semi-Lab is a pharmaceutical company which is involved in the manufacture of cosmetic, herbal products, and other supplements. The unit that student visited is focusedly mainly on the manufacture of raw material for the further formulation. Because previously they were discussed about the basic concept of the basic concept. So in industrial interaction, they will get the knowledge from the industry, what are the actually going into the industry. So after the into the industry, into the semi labs, basically they get the knowledge of the different equipment, and they saw different equipment like extractor and what are the extraction processes there, what are the different columns are there, what are the different reactors are there, types of supports they can use. So during this session, they get the interactive session with the industry people with the industry people, and they get knowledge whatever they exactly going into the industry. So basically the outcome of this event is like we have the students with an opportunity to acquire an active and interactive learning experience about the practical application of the subjects what they are studying, and about the industrial culture and operation, how the industry is going on, what is the culture of industry. They have to see, they could visualize how their theoretical knowledge could be put into a practice. The students gain awareness regarding the industry practices and regulation. This broadens their outlook to identify their prospective areas of work in the overall organization function. Second, they visited, one is like industry visited by the student to the semi labs, and second they visited to the HP Green R&D Center, that is in department of Bangalore, that is organized industry visit by taken by the sixth semester students. And outcome of the event is basically they gain of the practical knowledge on different petroleum processing technologies like hydrocracking, reforming, and other processing, bioprocessing of wastewater and soil. The exposure to the practical working environment and pilot plants, they got good opportunity for students to gain awareness about the industrial practice and what are the safety concerns we have to take care. One, we have industry supported lab also there, computer application and simulation lab that is supported by Convergent Science. What are the different events? Students are participating in different events. Chemical engineering department in MVJCE, they are sharing different guest lecture. They are inviting different club activities, different seminar, workshop, national conference, and industrial visit they are conducting. In 2017-18, three guest lecture were organized, two club events were organized, and one workshop and one national conference was organized. 2018-19, the seminar workshops, two seminar and workshops were organized and one national conference were organized. In 2020-21, when the corona was there, still we have organized online conferences. Three guest lecture was organized at that time. Two departmental club activities were organized. One workshop and one national conference. These are the some pictures of our students who are taking part into the different club activities and into the different national conferences where they can explore themselves ourselves. These are the some pictures of the chemical engineering department students where they got where in this national conferences as well as in the conferences or seminar. So mainly in 2020-21 events is that is the mainly current event. ATL sponsored 1 week online FDP on data science and artificial intelligence in chemical engineering. What are the recent trends and future outlook? In this FDP program, this was like online FDP program. Many different resource persons came and they gave their share their experience to the different people. Different participants was there. They got knowledge for the data science and artificial intelligence, how we can relate these things into the chemical engineering branch. Like national conference also, we national level conference on recent advances in chemical reaction engineering in 2020-21 was organized. One club activity was organized. Webinar on artificial intelligence and machine learning application in chemical engineering. Webinar on what are the environmental sustainability and pollution prevention. Departmental club event of Chem Wizard, and as well as webinar on advancement of membrane technologies for social, medical, and industrial application. So, so students are involved in different curricular activities like they will involve in different events, they were involved in uh, different workshops like this. These are the list of major equipment that is in our chemical engineering lab. We have incubator for the research purpose. We have incubator, LF vertical, blue star make deep freezer is available, microscope is available, air compressor, tray dryer, vacuum dryer, distilled water plant is there, vacuum leaf filter, plate and brim filter press, boiler, different type of heat exchangers are available, cyclone separator is there, potentiometric titrator is there, flame photometer, digital nephlobiometer, muffle furnace, hot air oven, different type of reactors are available, batch reactor, plug flow reactor, mixed flow reactor, sonochemical reactor is there, flow through peg bed, flow through fluidized bed, ball mill, different type of these equipments are available in chemical engineering department where the student can go for the further research also. They can explore they in this in which field they can go. One software is also there, chemical process simulator. If anybody is want to go into the software field, they can explore this process simulator. These are the proud university rank holders of the students of our department. Students have shown their talent and they have accomplished and showcased their talent over the year by securing gold medal and as well as VTU ranks. Right? Miss Suma Shri, she got VTU rank 1 and she is the gold medalist. She is from chemical department and he got VTU rank 2 and Arjun Kumar VTU rank 6 and Dush he got VTU rank 7. So these are the proud university rank holder students from the chemical engineering department. After that, there are different student activities are there where the students are getting involved. Different workshop and different conferences are arranged all over the India. So from our department students, they are going in they are including in these activities like final year chemical engineering student V. Divakar has secured third prize in Young Scientist Conference 2020 under the theme Frontier Area of Research. Aina and Kavya of 7th semester secured Best Oral Presentation Award for the paper A Review on Synthesis and Application of Iron Oxide Nanoparticles for Oil Spill Removal in the Virtual International Conference on Recent Advances in Chemical and Biological Science, which was held on 7 to 9 December 2020, that was organized by Dayanand Sagar of College of Engineering, Bangalore. Our student Hemant Kumar BJ and Nilesh Kumar secured Best Paper Award stream in Environmental Biotechnology for paper presentation on preliminary studies for the reduction of methylene blue dye in aqueous solution using natural coagulants process optimization via Taguchi method. In the national conferences which are organized by Sri Buddha College of Engineering, Kerala on 18 to 19 June 2020. Abdullah Murshid and Milan Beni secured Best Paper Award for the paper Synthesis of Graphene-Based Aerogel for Wastewater Treatment in the National Conference organized by Sri Buddha College of Engineering, Kerala, 18 to 19 June. One of the second year student Akash completed certification course Ethical Hacking and Complete Python Programming a Practical Approach on 12 September 2019. Like Vignesh Prakash, Suhas, Kavya, Saniti and many other students from pre-final year carried out mini project on new carbon capture by integral microglass banana peel system was selected out of 115 ideas across the country for poster presentation in New Generation Ideation Contest 2019 organized by HPCL Green R&D Center. These are the different projects students were doing the projects. Students were doing the research project under different faculties. This is the project that is Hack with Hackton 2020-21. The participant evented in this and this is the project basically where they are doing also some project. This is in the field of agriculture equipment advancement in agriculture. We have different faculty who is they can take students and their students projects were doing under these faculties. Different projects were doing and we have all lab facilities where students can explore themselves for doing the projects. Now question, why we join chemical engineering in MVJCE? As the guiding principle is each and every student is equally important and has immense potential waiting to be tapped. Like it ranks 8th among the top engineering colleges in Bangalore. It is an autonomous institute and offers a tailor-made program in chemical engineering with the ultimate goal of making every student industry ready at the end of 4th year. It is approved and recognized by all the premier education bodies in India like AICT, UGC, NBA, NAC, also affiliated to VTU. It offers ample scope for learning outside the classroom. The academic calendar is filled with technical events, workshops, seminars, projects, guest lecture, competition and contests, and as well as industrial visit. Basically, to hone your problem solving and analytical skill, which are the most important skill for a chemical engineering to possess. It will help you become through with a different area of chemical engineering and prepare you work in a larger and industrial laboratory. Basically, students are exposed to many good industries as a part of their curriculum like UB Group, NPCIL, ONGC, BACF and SEBIC company. Basically, this focus on nurturing chemical engineering who are equipped with the holistic knowledge of chemistry, biochemistry, engineering, material science, and information technology. The program also deals with the economics, management, safety, and environment because safety and environment is very important for the chemical engineering students. Like now, department is accredited by NBA 3 times, secured 25 PTU ranks and 3 gold medals. Its chemical engineering department has MOU with Shriram Institute for Industrial Research to do jointly research and technical activities. Student has opportunity to do live student projects. It offers ample scope for learning outside the classroom. Moreover, 2 industry-supported labs are also available in our department. There are excellent opportunity to get place in GE company, Reliance Industry, Biocon, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Tata Tea, Honeywell, Shell, Hindustan Unilever, Cipla, L&T, Nestle, Philips, and so many companies students came. So students are getting opportunity to go into these companies themselves. 15 student projects from Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, ISCHE and Vision Group for Science and projects has been completed and department has an average of 10 publication per year. Total 155 students have undergone internship in the semester break to HAL, BPCL, Ion Exchange, IOCL, BACF, and Deccan Plast, KMF, ONGC, CIPLA, and extra. Faculty strength. In chemical engineering department, 2 associate professors are there and 8 assistant professors are there. They are well educated faculty is there. One is like Dr. Ramakrishna sir, ANU Guntur. He is expertise in biotechnology. Dr. Saina Srivala, from AUS University. She is expertise in process and product development. Dr. Manisha Bal, she is from IIT Kharagpur. She is expertise in pollution control. Dr. Sakshi Batra, NIT Jaipur. She is expertise in wastewater treatment. Dr. Agasta, NIT Trichy. She is expertise in pollution control. Athira ma'am, Dr. Athira Ashoka, biochemical engineering. Chetra ma'am, nanomaterial synthesis. Soumeshri ma'am, nanomaterial synthesis. Samrat sir, he is pursuing PhD from IIT Delhi, environmental engineering. He is good in control design. So different, so many subject in faculty is available who is expertise in their subjects, and according to their subjects, they are giving knowledge to their students. This is the infrastructure. This is the mass transfer lab is available. The mass transfer subject they are reading. This is the lab for the mass transfer. We have departmental library also, seminar hall where we can give them to any webinar and seminar. These are the infrastructure academic. This is chemical reaction engineering lab. In the chemical reaction engineering lab, different equipments like plug flow reactor, mixed flow reactor, and photochemical reactor, RTD in plug flow reactor. Different type of reactors are available in the chemical engineering lab. Process control laboratory is there where they are reading this subject in the seventh semester, and they are doing lab also as well as process simulation lab is there where they can explore where if somebody wants to go into the computer science stream, then they can do this in the infrastructure academic. Heat transfer lab is there. We have classrooms of 40 plus student strength. Lab is also available where the student can get knowledge of research and research facilities also available in the chemical engineering department. We have collaboration from the IICH. The department is having association with professional body like Indian Institute of Chemical Engineering IICHE, where the student can they are arranging different seminars and webinars and national conferences where students can go and students can explore themselves. These are the two industry collaboration is there. This is like gate wall. One industry is collaborated, then and this is like gate wall is there. And second is computer application and simulation lab. This is industry supported lab, and these two are we had for the students career prospect different companies are visited. There are excellent opportunity to get placed in GE, Reliance Industries, Biocon, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Tata Tea, Honeywell, Shell, Hindustan Unilever, Cipla, L&T, Nestle, Philips, etc. In the past 3 years students got offers from various chemical core companies like JSW Cement, Cipla, Momentive, ExxonMobil, L&T, PPSIR, Microlabs, Trimax, Ion Exchange, Toyo Paints Private Limited, etc. So for the career prospect, there are so many companies are visited to take the students. There is good placement. So finally, chemical remarks like chemical remarks, it offers ample scope for learning outside the classroom. The academic calendar is filled with basically with the workshop, seminar projects, technical events, guest lecture, competition, and contents and field trips was available. There, two industrial visit is compulsory for the students where they get knowledge of this practical, where they get practical knowledge. In the final year, students will get chance to do internship in reputed industries like HAL, BPCL, Ion Exchange, IOCL. Number of projects were sanctioned from ISCHE and KSCST. We will also prepare you for a career by providing internship, which will help to gain a competitive edge in the job market, building your interpersonal skill and new professional network.